Good day folks, how's everyone doing? It's Matthew here. Wanted to show you something here pretty interesting. What I've got here is a piece of white oak that I've cut up into 5 individual pieces. As you can see, the grain is continuous throughout, and I've sanded each piece to a different grit. And look at the various outcomes that is achieved in terms of color and how the grain has been revealed. So what we have here is 120 grit, 320 grit, 600, 1000, and 4000. So I kind of went from one extreme to the other, and check this out. So as you can see, the reflection of the light in the 4000 grit and how it changes throughout the grits, and the reflectivity going all the way back down to 120. Next step is to get some finish on and show you the end results. With Odie's oil, there are no sanding restrictions. You can sand to any grit, achieve any sheen, and really highlight different nuances of the wood that you're working with. Next video, we'll be getting the finish applied and looking at these again.